This one, I give you information, and you're going to replace the y1, you're going to replace the m, and you're going to replace the x1. Notice that the equation is minus. So your first example, I give you that the line goes through that point. It has a slope of 1. So you're going to take that information and plug it in to the equation. And you're done.
That's all we have to do?
I give you 2 points that the line goes through. So both these ordered pairs are on the line. Do you know the slope of this line?
No.
So you probably have to use this equation, or you have to graph it and figure out the slope that way.
I like that. I'm gonna do that.
It's so much work.
Graphing?
Yes.
No, it's not.
So 2, oops, not 2. -4 minus 5, -4 minus 2.
I got caught. That was a 9/6.
We get to reduce that.
Which can be reduced to 3/2.
Right. So now when you go to put it inside the equation, you can use either that ordered pair or you can use this ordered pair.
If you use the first one, you can just put you can do y plus 4 and then x plus 4, so it's like the same.
Right. If you use the other one, it's going to look like this. Not plus, it's going to be minus. Both of these are going to give you the same exact slope-intercept.
Three-course meal.
All right, number 5. We're not doing all of these, so. Okay, so the line goes through this point. The new line is parallel to this line.
So it's the same.
So the slope that you're going to use is 9/5.
I'm gonna go graph.
One.
The ordered pair would be 0, 2.
Right.
Because for y-intercepts, x is always 0.
So y equals 2. Or no. Y minus 2 equals 0. Wait,
1 parenthesis x minus 0 in parentheses.
Yes.
0. Oh yeah.
And if you want to shorten it, you could just say that.